Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Oppo Reno 10 Pro. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. First one being on top of the screen, that's a phone call speaker. Next is at the bottom right here, and that's your main speaker. And that is all of them. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. And if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that would mean this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.